Hey folks, Stray Benzes, and today we're going to switch out the main fan, the ventilation fan on the inside. Got a new one to me, meaning one on eBay that doesn't make any funky noises, and I do have one that does, so I need to change it out, and here is how you do that on a 1989 version, which is a little different than the previous ones because they have a passenger side airbag, so it's a little bit different here and there. Now here is the used fan that I got on eBay, just making sure that it doesn't make any noises here. Got my trusted power source that I'm gonna use. Doesn't make any noise, sounds wonderful, cools down nicely. So here's how you do that. You're gonna have to undo this strip here. You take this off on the passenger side, so on the right side, you take this off, and then the back here is a hook, so don't take it off from the left side. But that exposes these three screws. I took one out already. This one, this comes out, and then the underside, there are a couple of more screws on here that needs to come out also. All right, next, a whole variety of Phillips head screws. Here, and it looks like somebody has already been in here. There's one more back on this side. There you go. And there's nothing else there. So this is where we're gonna give this a shot to get it out. And here's the fan resistor wiring to the fan that you can undo up there. I loosened that up. It slides out and disconnected that so I can remove it. And now I can get to the Phillips head screws back here. And, tough to see, but those, they're pretty well hidden. But now you can loosen those fan screws. Take this one out and then clean it out and put the new one in. So you can see there's only 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and that one. And some of these are deep up in there. Yeah, so you need to have a little bit of patience to get to it. It's a little bit of a pain, but especially when you put them back. But let's see how it goes. 3 screws, that's all it takes. The 4th one is a through one on the outside. That one right there. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and the one closest to you is the one that is an absolute bear to get to. Now you can probably hear it. That's what made the noise. See how nice and beautiful this one spins. This one is dry. Don't use any liquid grease or anything. If for nothing else, you may be able to use graphite, but other than that, it's typically not worth to lubricate those. That's just going to end up a mess. The other thing that's going to wear are the brushes down in here. Plenty of critters in there, but at least this one didn't fail catastrophically. Didn't stop. It was still running, but it made a very funky noise while running in the full speed. And this should be gone in history once I use compressed air, blow everything out. make everything look great and clean, and then we'll install it in the reverse manner. Success. The fan is back in. It is a pain. I had to eventually remove the footwell panel that's held in place by only that one screw right there. Actually, a nut. And let's see what happens. Ah, wunderbar. Low speed, auto. All right. Alright guys, that is one cool thing, one more thing down, many more to go on an old Benz rescue. I hope you have better luck than me with reinstalling the undercover. Though the clips in the back that hold the resistor cover, the fan cover on, is quite a bit of a pain to put back, but it's worth it. And if you do it yourself, you know that you can save so much money in the shop. And with that, good luck, happy wrenching, and until next time.